Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. We have a question on the circumference of a circle. A circle has a diameter of 8 centimeters. What is the circumference of the circle to 1 decimal place? So what is the circumference of the circle to 1 decimal place? Alright. What is the circumference of the circle to 1 decimal place? Alright. The first thing is for us to take the formula, and we're given diameter, right? So circumference equals pi times diameter. Alright. Since we are not given the value of pi here, and then we don't have a multiple of 7 as our diameter or radius, we use our calculator. Alright. So we have pi times 8, and then we check that on our calculator, and that will be 135.1327413274. Alright, but remember we have to calculate it to 1 decimal place. Alright, so 1 decimal place is the first digit after the point. The first digit after the decimal point is 1 decimal place. Then we'll consider the next door neighbor to see if we're rounding it down or up. And then since this is not up to 5, we're going to round it down. So our final answer will be 25.1 centimeters. 25.1 centimeters. Alright, I'll attach a question to this, and I expect you to solve, and let's see what you can do in the comment section. And if you have a question, please do well to ask. And remember to like and follow and share. God bless you. Bye.